I'm about to show you a simple yet effective hair treatment. Start by chopping 1 to 2 onions and tossing them into a blender. Next, add a tablespoon of coconut oil. This helps create a silky smooth paste. Blend until it's perfectly smooth. Now, pour equal parts of the onion paste and coconut oil into a saucepan. Stir it well and let it simmer on low heat. You want to let the magic happen slowly until the paste turns golden brown. Once it does, switch off the flame and let it cool completely. After it cools, strain the mixture using a cheesecloth to keep all that nutrient-rich goodness. Store it in an airtight container, and it's ready to use. For an extra touch, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to mask the onion smell. To use, gently massage it onto your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash it off. You'll say goodbye to hair fall and dullness, and hello to stronger, shinier hair. Try this 2 to 3 times a week for the best results.